Yeah. Lil Duke and Lil Uzi. Get that work on in a minute. They think I'm a magician. I'm preaching like a minister and hold my like a dentist. Whipping that work in the kitchen, I beat it so hard and I fucked on my wrist. Walk right in the club and I threw a nick. Lil Duke and Lil Uzi fucking on a nigga, bitch. Whoa. Fuck on these bitches and leave them, I swear I don't need them. And I can't go nowhere without the heater. They love me in public like I'm with the Beatles. I do this shit for my people. We sit the lean, we don't drink on no beer. Lick that fresh and I hop on the Lear. Trapper turn rapper, the cap of the year. I'm banned for Lennox, I'm banned for perimeter. I can see you in my peripheral. Lil Duke and Lil Uzi, we rockin' them shows. We fucking them hoes and they cuffin' them. And if she ain't able, run that to the table. I'ma leave that bitch at home with Auntie Mabel. What? Watching basic
Big it out the way, big it out the way. Bitch, we that new wave. Bitch, we that new wave. Selling shows out of state, selling out of state. Bad bitches every state, bad bitches every state.
They fuck with the real, don't fuck with no fake. Talk behind your back, come right in your face. How you gon' feel with that doubt in your face? Chopper blow a nigga right out his chains. Better eat your veggies, I got a case. We told them extendos, you niggas told mates. You talking that shit, boy, don't come to the A. Dude well known from the A to LA.
Ayy, look at my necklace, I swear that I'm nigga rich. Ayy, give me that work, I swear that I be flipping it. Yeah, got bitches on bitches and all of them know. Choppers on choppers, as tall as my hoe. Counting this money, that's all in a row. Look at my diamonds, damn, wetting it laying on top of her coochie. Look at that bitch, ayy, all in my bed and I play with her coochie. Look at this chopper, ayy, clipping that bitch in long as I'm moving. Smoking the gas like that bitch is a loser. Swerving the coupe with